Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to use two AI tools, NotebookLM and Google Gemini, to turn a notebook content completely into an interactive website. Okay, so you can do this completely free of charge, and you can test the website and test some of the components and some of its features as well. So let's start from the beginning, which is accessing NotebookLM. You can do that by coming to notebooklm.google.com, being that the two AI tools that we're going to use today are both developed by Google. So we're going to start by accessing NotebookLM. You can go to this website and you have to log in with an account that is similar to the one that you are going to access from the Google Gemini. So I've signed in with one of my accounts, and let's say we're going to create a new notebook. I have series of other notebooks that I have created. You can create from here or from here. So let's go ahead and click in here. Now, the next thing you need to notice is that you can search on the web and bring in content for your own notebook, which you can use the web, or you can search your Google Drive. If you have some documents saved somewhere within your Google Drive, you can access it as far as that email address that you are working on is this one that you have logged in with. And then you can do fast research and deep research. Also, one thing to note is that when you're using Google Drive, you don't have the option for deep research because the content are around this your Google Drive. The sources is going to be just around the drive, except if you want it to go far, then you have to change it to web search. So for this case, you can come down here. If you have some local files, you can upload them as well. If you have YouTube links or you have any website URL, you can add them over here as well, or drive directly like we said. If you have copied text somewhere, you can as well paste it in here, and it's going to serve as a source. Now for this tutorial, I have this website that talks about the 10 effective presentation tips that are garbage and make me want to scream. Okay, so they are very interesting. I found them to be very helpful, and I'm going to use the link as a source. So I'm just going to copy the link as my first source. I can just come to websites and paste it in here. All right, so I can insert, and this is going to now go through that source and kind of summarize everything. You can add more sources if you want. So let's say I have this other one, this one that talk about 9 tips to improve your public speaking skills. I found this to be exceptionally wonderful and very useful also. So we can select it, and then we have to come back and then include it also as part of our sources. Okay, so let's just add this, and then we can include it. So now this also had been read as a source. If you want, you can add more sources. You can search for more content if you're interested to add more sources. And if you have everything that you need, you can see debunking a garbage public speaking advice. So if you want, you can kind of refresh this page so it picks in all the sources. All right, so let's go on and then maybe add. You can search the web as well for best public speaking tips and tricks. Okay, so we can just do fast research for now and just hit on enter, and it's quickly going to go through the web and find some sources that we can quickly bring in to add to the existing ones that we have. So as you can see, it has found about 10 sources. Can go ahead and say import if you are reviewing all of them, and it's going to fetch them all and add them into this our chart, so we can be able to see even the summary also from in here. These are all the sources, and if you want to exclude any source, you can of course uncheck any of them, so you can exclude it from the research that you're going to carry out or from the basic questions that you're going to carry out. But if you don't exclude anything, all the answers is going to be based on this, and as you click on any of the answers, it will be able to show you exactly the source where it's picking that information from. So let's say we have this our notebook, debunking garbage public speaking advice, or we can rename it and say public speaking tips and tricks. Okay, so let's now go back to Google Gemini. So we can come to Gemini with google.com. And of course, you have to log in with the same account, like I said earlier on, that you have logged in with in the NotebookLM platform. So once you're here, the first thing you need to do is to connect your notebook into this Gemini account or this Gemini chat. So you can come to this plus sign, and then you can go to notebook down here. You can of course go ahead. You can see the notebook down here, public speaking tips and tricks. It has this much sources, and it was created by this just for you to confirm that you are dealing with the right notebook. So you can select it. If you want, you can connect more than one notebook as well. So let's say we are just dealing with that particular one. So again, now you have to give in the prompts. Can you create a very interactive website from the notebook added in here. Make it very rich in tips and tricks. Very informative. Right, so under the tools, you have to click on tools and make sure you select creative, and down here you can use the pro feature. So 3 things: you have to connect to NotebookLM and make sure you select Canvas from these tools, and then you make sure you're on the pro mode. So you can go ahead and hit on enter to this, and let's just give some minutes and it's going to go ahead and do its magic. So once it is done with the website creation, we're going to come back and see what it has created for us. Alright, so as you can see, the website had been created. So you can see the code that have generated the website. Take a look at it. This much long code has been used to generate our website. So let's click to look at the preview. Master the art of public speaking. Transform from a nervous presenter to a captivating storyteller. Synthesized from world-class experts like Ted, Moth, and the Harvard GCE. So take a look. Everything is working perfectly. So this is the home page. You can have the myth busters, storytelling. Okay, we have these features: the hook, the stakes, and the aha moments. Okay, storytelling do's and don'ts, and we have the rhetoric lab, which is very informative as well. Vocal variety option. This is a complete website. Mastering Q&A during your presentation. This is a strategic listening, the TIS formula, top page input, and speaker solutions. Okay, so if you want to share, you can share this directly. You can share directly by clicking on share. You can share on all of these social media handles, or you can copy the link and you can go to a fresh page. If you paste in this, you're going to have it on a website. So this is what is going to pop up for the user who pasted it. This app was created by another person. Try Gemini, or you can continue if you have. So you have to log in with your own account to showcase that you are now using that particular account to log in. So this is the website. If you click, you'll be able to come over here. You can be able to navigate across the myth, the storytelling, the rhetoric, and so on. So you can be able to beautify this, and you can add follow-up questions to the website as well. You can adjust 1 or 2 features. You can follow up and write things. So if you want to refresh, also you can refresh and recreate the whole thing so that you can have another view on its entirety. So this flow process is very, very easy. You can follow through and you'll be able to develop your own fantastic websites that you can share with your friends so that they can have an example or an idea into how they can create their own website. Or alternatively, you can still use the code. You can copy the code and you can go ahead and share with your friends and see, or if you have any runner, you can just paste in and then you'll be able to run it and see the results as well. So this concludes this simple tutorial about the use of 2 AI tools, NotebookLM and Google Gemini, to develop the working website that you can, an interactive website that you can generate directly from the NotebookLM. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.